Welcome back to the channel. So today we will be discussing the PocketSmith review. Is it worth it? Are you looking for a budgeting app that can do more than just track your spending? Then you've probably come across PocketSmith, but is it actually worth paying for in 2026? Let's find out. PocketSmith is a powerful personal finance app designed to help you manage your money with advanced budgeting tools, automatic bank syncing, and one feature that really stands out: financial forecasting. Instead of only showing where your money has gone, PocketSmith predicts where your finances could be weeks, months, or even years into the future based on your current habits. It also lets you create custom budgets, organize your transactions into categories, set financial goals, and view everything through a clean calendar-style interface that makes planning much easier. If you connect your bank accounts, your transactions are imported automatically, saving you time and keeping your budget up to date. Another great feature is its detailed reports and cash flow analysis, making it a solid choice for freelancers, families, and anyone who wants a deeper understanding of their finances. However, it's not perfect. Many of the best features, including unlimited forecasts and bank feeds, require a paid subscription, and the app can feel a bit overwhelming for complete beginners because of the number of customization options available. If you're only looking for a simple expense tracker, there are cheaper and easier alternatives. But if you enjoy planning ahead and want detailed insights into your financial future, PocketSmith offers excellent value. Overall, PocketSmith is one of the most feature-rich budgeting apps available in 2026. It combines smart budgeting, powerful forecasting, and detailed financial reporting into one platform, making it a great investment for users who are serious, so this is all about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.